Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a highly anticipated update to one of Canon's most popular APS-C mirrorless cameras. With numerous expected improvements in image quality, autofocus performance, and video recording capabilities, this camera is poised to be a major step forward for enthusiasts and semi-professionals alike. But the big question remains: will it truly be a game-changer, or just another incremental update? Let's break down everything we know so far. Canon EOS R7 Mark II. A worthy upgrade? The Canon EOS R7 made waves with its 32.5 megapixel sensor, dual pixel AF, and impressive burst shooting performance. Now with the Mark II, Canon appears to be pushing the limits even further, bringing more AI-powered autofocus enhancements, better low-light performance, and improved video recording features. Sensor and image processing upgrades. One of the most talked about rumors is the possibility of a new sensor design. While Canon may retain the 32.5 MP resolution, industry insiders suggest that the Mark II could feature a stacked or backside illuminated CMOS sensor. If true, this would significantly enhance readout speeds, reduce rolling shutter issues, and improve dynamic range. In addition, Canon is expected to introduce its latest Digic X or a next-generation processor, which could further refine image processing, noise reduction, and color accuracy. These enhancements would make the R7 Mark II a strong competitor against cameras like the Sony a6700 and the Fujifilm X-H2S. Revolutionized autofocus system. Autofocus is another area where we anticipate significant changes. The original R7 already features dual-pixel CMOS AF2, but the Mark II is rumored to include Canon's AI-driven subject tracking, a feature found in high-end models like the Canon EOS R3 and R6 Mark II. This could mean even more precise tracking of human eyes, animals, and even vehicles, making the R7 Mark II an excellent choice for wildlife photography, action sports, and vlogging. The expected improvements in low-light autofocus performance could also make this camera a strong contender for night photography and indoor shooting. Advanced video capabilities. The Canon EOS R7 was already a solid hybrid camera, but the Mark II is rumored to take things up a notch. 4K 120p recording. One of the most exciting potential upgrades is the introduction of 4K 120 frames per second video recording, which would put it in direct competition with Sony's APS-C lineup and Fujifilm's X-H2S. This could be a game-changer for content creators, videographers, and filmmakers. Improved heat management. To combat overheating issues, Canon could introduce better thermal dissipation technology, allowing for longer recording times, similar to the advancements seen in the EOS R6 Mark II. 12-bit ProRes RAW via HDMI. While internal RAW recording might still be out of reach, there's speculation that Canon could offer 12-bit ProRes RAW output through HDMI. This would be a major upgrade for professional video production. Enhanced in-body image stabilization. Canon's current stabilization system is already among the best, but further refinements could improve handheld shooting, reducing reliance on gimbals. Ergonomic and design enhancements. Canon has always been known for its ergonomic designs, and the R7 Mark II is likely to refine this further. Redesigned grip with deeper contours for better comfort during extended shooting sessions. Fully articulating touchscreen with improved resolution, offering better visibility in bright conditions. Higher refresh rate electronic viewfinder for a smoother and more immersive shooting experience. Possible inclusion of a top LCD, typically reserved for Canon's full-frame models, to provide quick access to settings without relying on the rear screen. Battery life and storage improvements. Battery performance has always been a concern for mirrorless cameras, and we expect Canon to improve efficiency with a new processor and power management system. This could extend shooting time, making the R7 Mark II even more versatile for travel, wildlife, and event photography. Another area where Canon could make improvements is storage speed and capacity. The original R7 featured dual UHS-2 SD card slots, but there's speculation that the Mark II could introduce CF Express Type A support, dramatically improving buffer clearing for burst shooting and high bitrate video recording. This would make it a stronger competitor against Sony's high-performance APS-C cameras while keeping costs relatively reasonable. Expected price and release date. The original Canon EOS R7 debuted at around $1,500, making it a high-end APS-C option. Given the expected improvements, the R7 Mark II could land in the $1,700 to $1,900 range. This would still position it well below Canon's full-frame cameras, while competing with rivals like the Fujifilm X-T5, X-H2S, and Sony A6700. As for the release date, rumors suggest that Canon could announce the EOS R7 Mark II in 2025, possibly around CP Plus or NAB Show 2025. However, supply chain challenges and sensor production issues could delay its arrival to mid-2025. Final thoughts. Is the R7 Mark II worth the hype? If Canon delivers meaningful improvements, such as a stacked sensor, enhanced autofocus, improved video features, and better heat management, then the EOS R7 Mark II could become the ultimate APS-C mirrorless camera for hybrid shooters.